Democratic lawmakers and the governor are calling this year's legislative session a success. The session ends at midnight. Some last-minute bills didn't make their way to the governor's desk today. They include 2 bills designed to reduce youth suicide. Also, changes to how sex education is taught in our schools. A bill to allow sports betting in Colorado, and one to reduce many drug felonies to misdemeanors. And today, the governor also showcased the half a dozen measures to control health care costs.
And want to save you money on health care. That means we want you to pay less because you're getting ripped off. Joe, are you getting ripped off on health care? You are, because you're an American, and Americans are getting ripped off on health care.
Political specialist Sean Boyd has covered this legislature for nearly a decade. Joins us now from the Capitol. Sean, how does this one compare, do you think?
Karen, this one was wild and crazy. They are still at it tonight. This session included marathon debates, lawsuits, even an all-nighter. Well, almost. 2 controversial bills failed in the final hours, an immunization bill and a nicotine tax bill, but many more bills with far-reaching implications passed.
Whirlwind, for sure.
A whirlwind session that House Majority Leader Alec Garnett says ushered in big changes for Coloradans, especially on health care. The first bill introduced gave the state more access to hospital pricing.
In every other marketplace, consumers are empowered with cost transparency. And so when it comes to hospital transparency, we made that a key priority, and it moved early, and it's a monumental. If that was the only thing we did, I would still be saying it was a success, but we did more.
A lot more, including bills to create a state-run health insurance option and Canadian drug import program, a cap on insulin prices, and suicide prevention efforts.
We have done more this session on mental health to try to close the gap that has been created in the state of Colorado on mental health than we've ever seen before.
While there were fewer bills overall, there were more contentious bills. From a repeal of the death penalty, Democrats killed that, to the red flag gun bill and local control of oil and gas.
It's still going to be disastrous for the industry in Colorado.
House Minority Leader Patrick Neville says while Republicans couldn't stop bills, they scaled many back. Paid family leave became a study.
The concern is, what does that study say at the end, and what happens next year?
We can say we've kept our promises to the voters of Colorado. We ran on these issues. We said we were going to fix these issues, and that's what we did this session.
The session also saw a lot of significant affordable housing bills and climate change bills. A bill allowing local rent control failed today, while one allowing local minimum wage increases passed. Governor Polis said one of his favorite bills of the session, he's an entrepreneur, the lemonade stand bill, making it easier for kids to start their own businesses. The session was interesting. Live at the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.
Sean, it always is. Thanks so much. The nation